Hey, what's up, y'all? Just want to show y'all how to use your camera on OBS Studio and TikTok Live Studio at the same time. You have a problem if you are using OBS Studio with the camera. So, as you can see here, you click on the well, let me hide my camera. That way you can see what the hell I'm talking about. So you go to camera, you go to set it up. I'm using OBS right now to do this, so it won't let you show anything. So what you're gonna have to do is, let me bring the screen over here. In OBS, there's the start virtual camera. Make sure it's got your camera set up there. So once your camera's set up, you just hit that start virtual camera button. Let me move this to the side here. Okay, and then on camera, you're gonna go to the settings button here. See how it says camera? Change it from your camera to OBS virtual camera. Hit apply. And then as you can see, when I bring my camera back up, it is now set up on my OBS and on TikTok Live Studio. So now you can have your camera on OBS, multi-streaming, and on TikTok Live Studio. If this helped y'all out, please like and subscribe.